Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll see how to add filters to your mobile app uh, for your existing front-end data. So for this, we'll be using a package which I have developed and published in pub.dev. So first, we'll go to pub.dev. I'll add the link in the description. So this filter is called data underscore filters. So you will have a list of data, right? So for that data, we will add filters like this. So I hope you're able to see me. Okay, yeah. So we'll be adding filters to this data. So what we'll do is so I have already created a uh, app here, and I've just created a file called food options, and this is nothing but just one empty class. So first we'll add this filter to our pubsec.yaml. So we'll add it here, and we'll do pub get. So you can see the instructions here. We'll have to give a data in a format of nested list. So this will be the data, and this will be the title. So in this example, we'll create an app for food app. So already generated the data from ChatGPT here. So let's copy this and I'll paste it in our food options file. So this will be list of lists. uh, okay, so we have our data here, and for this we'll also have to pass a title, which is list of strings in this format. We'll just copy the code, and this will be list of strings. So if you have data in form of models, you can use list.generate, and you can generate it in form of nested list directly from your models. So we have a title here. So first what we'll do is we'll just try to print this, and we'll try to see it in our app. So I'll just use list builder. So we have shortcuts here, but I'm just typing out the code. So the count will be so we will rename this to data. Count will be data dot length, and we'll have to return text which will contain data of index, and let's say first we'll just print the food names. So we can see that list of all the food names has been printed here. So I've already used scaffold, and I've given an app bar. So this food app, this is the app bar. So I'll just give a background color to it. Okay. So now we'll have to add filters to it, right? Okay, I'll just add all the data of this data variable. One, two, three, and we'll give some space of 20 pixels. So this is the list that we got. So now we'll have to add filters. We'll just go to the package documentation, and we'll see how to add that. So to get the list of selected filters, we'll have to add this initialize this variable first. So we'll just give it here, and we'll have to make this class a stateful class, right? So I'll initialize this list outside build. Okay, and this should be null. Then we'll have to add this code file wherever we want this list of filters to be displayed. So what we'll do is we'll wrap this list builder in a column, and I'll just wrap this list with expanded to occupy all the remaining spaces. and this above this I'll just paste that code, data filters code, and I'll just import this package. So you can see what has been done here. So there is one data attribute. To that I am passing this data, which is our front end data, and this filter title is the titles that will be passing from this variable, and this is an optional arguments that we can I'll show you the use of that later. And this is our main function. So in this function, what is happening is uh, whenever we select the filters, it will give us a list of index that we can pass it to this filter index which we have initialized above the build. Okay, that's it. And finally we have this styling attribute, and this is our main body. So we'll just try to hot restarted, and you can see that for our existing front end data, a filter has been generated. In this filter we also have a search box. So first we'll try to test it. So if you click on food, we can see the list of all the food has been generated here. So we can select the options and we can click on done. So you can see a black color box has been highlighted. This shows that this food filter has been selected, but you can see that no data has been updated. So for that, what we'll have to do is uh, inside item builder, we'll just pass one if condition, which is if the filter index that we have passed here, this should either be null. It should either be null. If it is null, all the values will be printed, or this filter index should contain I, and we can pass a null check. Okay, so now if we restart it, we can see that our filter will be starting to work. So we'll just select pizza, and if we click on done, you can see that only the list which contains pizza is being displayed. Or if you select pizza and burger, then we can see pizza and burger has been displayed. And if you select the cuisine Italian, so this is a multi filter option. So from food, the filters that we select from the food and the filters that we select in cuisine, whatever is common, whatever is matching will be displayed. So we can clear all the filters from this button, and we can search also. Let's search tomato. So if we just type two letters, we can see that whatever is matching, it's been shown. Okay, so the UI looks kind of boring. So what I'll do is I have already written a code. I'll just generate that code. I'll just pull that code. Okay, I'll create a new class called food card, and I'll paste that code. You'll find all the code in GitHub. I'll paste the link. So this is just a styling widget. I don't think I'll be explaining in this video. So what I'll do is, instead of passing this column, I'll just pass food food card, and in this food card I'll just pass the data. So I'll just hot restart it, and you can see that UI has been displayed. You can get this code from GitHub. I'll just post it. I'll post the link in the description. So this card is this gray color displays one image will be displayed here. So I'm not adding any image. So I'm just putting a gray color there. And this is a vegetarian option, veg or non-veg. And this is the type of cuisine. We have the food name here, the cuisine name, and the primary ingredient, which is main course or appetizer or stuff like that. So this is our food app, and filter has been generated. I hope you like this video. So I'll just show you the demo again once more. So we'll just go and select the primary ingredient, which is, let's say I just want okay, made a mistake. So the primary ingredient should be the list. It's in index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. primary ingredient is 3. Okay, so I'll just show the demo and I'll close the video. So we can see the primary ingredients: tomato or beef or rice or cream. So I'll just go and select primary ingredient filter, and I just want to display food which contains tomato and rice. So just click on done. You can see that we get tomato or we get rice. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to contribute to this package, or if you want any features to be added, you can give me a pull request or add in the issues of my GitHub of that. I'll post the link in the description. You can get the access of GitHub from there. So I hope you like this video. Show your support by subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video.